Hi there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. Come over here, join me for my lunch. So hungry. I have here a stir fry string beans. Ginisang sitaw here in the Philippines as we may call here. Aha. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Come on, just half cook. This is for you. Wow. Crunchy. With my sinalamugang rice. And to pair with dried squids. This could be my day 33 of not eating meat. Danggit. Like pork, not eating meat of like pork, chicken, and beef. Tuyo. Love it. Daing. Oh gosh, sorry. Gosh. Yumminess. Do and do it, guys. For your penitence. For you to have indulgence with the Lord of not eating meat. You still have less than 2 weeks to make it. But for now,